Guys, today I actually want to do something different that I don't think I've ever really done on my channel before in terms of Dollar Tree. I have realized looking back at all of my hauls and videos that I've shared with you guys from going to the Dollar Tree and getting all of these things that I love and I'm excited about and I want to use and I want to share with you. But I realized as I was going through the store that there are so many amazing things that are there, but that they just don't really pertain to my needs, or they don't necessarily apply to my life. Now there's lots of things at Dollar Tree that you'll find useful for you and things that you won't find useful for you. It really depends on like kind of where you're at in your life, right? Like if you have kids or don't have kids and things like that. And sometimes things that didn't really make sense or matter to you once going through Dollar Tree may make sense and you may need something later on. But I can't purchase every single thing just for the sake of showing it to you guys. So I thought I would do a new series on my channel called What's New at Dollar Tree and share with you all of the things that I find very, very interesting and that I would love if I had a purpose for them. So that is what I'm gonna do. I hope that you guys are gonna love this series. Now, most of these series will include an actual haul of things that I did end up purchasing. So stay tuned for that at the end of this video. But otherwise, let's go ahead and kick this off and I'll show you guys what is new at Dollar Tree, at least what's new to me that I've never really either A, paid attention to or have seen before. Now, you guys know how I feel about Dollar Tree stickers. I love it so, so much. And there are always new stickers out that you guys have never seen me haul just because I know that I'm not going to find a purpose for them. There are lots of things that, like, it's like beauty's in the eye of the beholder, right? So you may see it and think of a theme that you want to do, whether for pocket letters or card mail or scrapbooking and things like that, whether you're like journaling for your children or journaling for yourself. But I'll be inserting clips here for you guys to see all of these amazing stickers that are available at Dollar Trees, or at least most of them, I hope. You never know with Dollar Tree sometimes. But there's beautiful stickers with these hearts, and they make so many pop-up stickers, and I love the pop-up stickers. I know it's not the best thing to use for planners because you really want like flat stickers, but I actually don't mind the pop-up. I actually love for my planner to look thick and full and like it has like life to it, so I actually love it and I don't mind it at all. But these hearts and flowers and butterflies are so stunning. And then also something you guys have really never seen me do is haul like boy type stickers, you know, with trucks and you know, construction stuff. And then there's like a cowboy sticker, which was really, really cute. And I actually think I may end up going back and getting that for whatever reason. And there's like dinosaurs. So there's a lot of amazing stickers and a lot of cute new stickers that I've never really seen before. So definitely pay attention to those. You guys have heard me say this over and over again, but I absolutely love the teaching tree section. That's the name that Dollar Tree has given these products that kind of really relate to a classroom type of environment. And these are new to me. I have never seen these before, but I think they're educational posters and they had so many different themes to choose from. That's crazy that you get these posters for $1. That's insane to me. My mind is blown by that. Like, I'm so impressed by it, and they were very interesting. And like I said, like, this is one of the reasons why I wanted to do What's New at Dollar Tree and show you guys these things rather than hauling them, because if I had a purpose for these posters, I would totally use it. But like, I'm not a teacher and I don't have a little girl anymore. You know, my little girl is 17 and something tells me she's not really gonna care about, you know, these elementary type of posters. Now, some of them are really, really interesting. I love the weather one. I thought the weather one was really cool, and the clouds, I thought that was really interesting. I think there's like a counting and ABCs one, and I thought that overall these images were just amazing. Like, they were just really, really cool, and just wanted to share with you guys in case it's something that you think you could use in your life. All right, next up are new composition notebooks. Now, one of my favorite things about fall is when Dollar Tree starts putting out their back to school supplies. And even though their back to school supplies are obviously not out yet, we could probably start expecting them somewhere mid-July, maybe even early July. So it's probably around the corner. You never know with Dollar Tree. They definitely do put things out ahead of time, but can we talk about their composition notebooks for a hot minute? Their covers are really cute. I haven't really checked to see what they look like at Target or Walmart, but these are amazing and they're actually pretty good quality paper as well. they had a marbleized one, and I actually forgot to get a clip of that. And they have this cute little, like, I really don't know what these little cartoon characters would be called. If you know, comment down below. But I thought those covers were so adorable. Oh, they get me with journals, but I have to tell you, the most amazing thing are their neon composition notebooks. And right now, thinking about it, why didn't I get those? But this is exactly why. I have an addiction with getting stuff, but honestly, I really want those neon colored composition notebooks. I mean, just stunning for $1. I think that composition notebooks are still relatively cheap at like Target and Walmart, but just wanted to tell you guys they have neon composition notebooks at Dollar Tree, and the color options are stunning. I love them. The yellow, the blue, the green, everything. Next up are some new file folder prints. Now, they've always been making file folders since the dawn of time at Dollar Tree, but I'm always on the lookout for new patterns and prints, and I finally found some new ones, although I didn't haul any just because I have so many right now that I don't have a use for every single one. So I had to really tell myself, don't put this in your basket. You have enough right now, but I need to share with you guys what these patterns look like because they're stunning. I mean, of all times for me to not be able to buy them, this is just the wrong time. But I have to tell myself to just really chill out a little bit. But these prints are beautiful. I've never seen them at Dollar Tree, and they're definitely new to me. All right, next up, finally, our new wall art decor sticker decals. I just said a lot of words just then, but you guys have seen me haul a ton of these. I could probably do a whole video on my collection. You know how I can do a whole video on my like gift bag collection from Dollar Tree? I could probably turn a full video into these Dollar Tree wall decals because I have so many, and I actually hauled some. So I'm super excited to show you the ones that I picked, but I'm gonna go ahead and insert the clip here of all the new ones that I found, and then we'll see if you guys get right which ones that I actually picked versus the ones I didn't pick. But there are these amazing headphones, and they had like cute little fishies and arrows and cute little cupcakes. I was blown away by how many new ones they put out in like one like time. I don't even know like how to describe it, but usually anytime I go to Dollar Tree, they only put out like one new one here and there. But I saw like 6 new ones. I was like, whoa, I was not expecting that at all, and I absolutely love these. I'm sure they are very cute to put on your walls. I've never actually used them, but I prefer to use them for my planner. So that is why I haul them specifically, but they are very, very cute. And you could decorate like a notebook with these and all kinds of things, especially like if you're, you know, a teenager. I know I have some youngins watching me, but I think it would be really cute to like decorate little like notebooks and binders and things like that with these as well. The next thing that I feel like is definitely new at Dollar Tree blew me away, which is picture frames. I kind of felt like there was a time there for a hot minute when we would never really see Dollar Tree progress in their picture frame collection. I felt like we were constantly seeing thin black frames, or, you know, with like the gold detail or even like silver, but now pay attention to this section again, you guys. Give it another go through because I found faux wood. At least I think it's faux. I don't know that it's real wood, but what do I know? I'm not a material expert, but these looked like really great quality wood-like frames, and they were a lot thicker than some of the framings that Dollar Tree has like put out in the past, and some of that still exists today, but gorgeous. Gorgeous. Like, you wouldn't even have to do any sort of editing to these, especially if you do have like a farmhouse or country cottagey feel. You wouldn't have to do any spray painting or any like editing, although you could add floral to it and make it really cute, but standalone, they look amazing. This next little item is just a picture that I saw at Dollar Tree. I don't know if it's new or not, and I've never really seen it, but it's these cute little cherries. I just thought that they were definitely worth the mention because I think this is one of the sections in Dollar Tree that's such a hidden gem, which is their artwork. You definitely can, like I've mentioned in the past in other videos, but if you feel like the frame is too cheap, you can still use the image and get it reframed at another store, or you can get really creative with spray painting from Dollar Tree and, you know, all kinds of things. There's just so many creative people out there, so definitely like use the internet to your advantage. I don't have an endless supply of like creative things that you can possibly do to picture frames. I know there's tons of people who have amazing ideas, and obviously on YouTube you probably find something, but this cherry picture frame, I had to include it in this video. Next thing I am blown away by, and they're these canvas panels. I have never seen these at Dollar Tree before. You guys, these are amazing. The things you can do with this are just, I have so many ideas in my head. The first one that really jumps out to me is you can definitely use these and take t-shirts and like wrap your t-shirt around it and then display them on your wall. That would be a really cool like game room idea. Or you could just go to like Hobby Lobby or Michael's or any craft store and get like fabric and wrap fabric around these canvas prints and use them to design a cool like collage on your wall. That would be a really interesting way to decorate, you know, certain spaces or like hallways and things like that. And you can make as many little panels as you want. Like, is that not like an amazing thing to use these canvas prints from Dollar Tree? So crazy. I think this is a great brand new item. Very last thing that I want to share with you, I have the biggest weakness for, and their little notebooks. The biggest weakness for them, and I don't know what it is. I have to tell you that I actually do use a lot of little notebooks. I'm actually needing to start using a brand new one because I've been using my other ones from Dollar Tree and I've written through all of them, but these little notebooks are to die for. I did limit myself to getting, I think, like 1 or 2, so we're gonna get into that haul next, but I want to show you the ones that I didn't get. And the little llama's cute, the little like 70s psychedelic flower pattern. I see 70s when I saw that pattern. And then the gypsy one I thought was really, really cool. And of course the flamingo was to die for. All right, so now let's go ahead and get into my haul. I'm gonna quickly show you the things that I've got. So I've been getting candy. You guys know this isn't anything new. I get this for the game room upstairs. Still a better deal at Walmart because they're 98 cents versus $1. And I do buy in bulk, so I'm better off buying these at Walmart. But whenever I go to Dollar Tree, I get them out of convenience because I'm already there. But I still think it's impressive that there's name brand candy at Dollar Tree. Oh, I do have to point out that I saw this candy at Dollar Tree, which I never really see. You are now getting the mini Mentos in the fruit mix, and I love Mentos. So I have never seen this brand or this box at Dollar Tree before. I obviously got my Sour Patch Kids, some Starburst. I did find something new. These are the Reese's miniature cups stuffed with their pieces. So it's a combination of their cups, and I guess there's Reese's pieces inside of the cups. I thought that was really cool. So I'm excited to take all of that up to the game room and restock up. Another thing that I had to get was a bigger waste basket. So I actually have this same basket in my guest bathroom, which I did a DIY with it. So I'll link it down below for you. But I'm not gonna do anything fancy to this. I'm literally just gonna carry this upstairs and put this in my daughter's room because the other Dollar Tree basket is too small. All right, so I did pick up one of these canvas prints just because I'm not quite sure what I wanna do with it yet. Now, I definitely could take my ideas and, you know, cover this up with a fabric or pattern. I just have to figure out what I want to do with it, because when I first saw it, I was so shocked and I wasn't prepared for it. So I didn't have like a concept in my mind for it, but I grabbed one like for security purposes or something, which is crazy. But I'm gonna figure out today how I want to use these in the future, and then I'll probably go back and get however many I need for that project. Okay, so in the stickers, I got this one. This was the only one that I picked up. I really loved it. When I saw this, I thought of a monthly planner spread, but I think this would be gorgeous for a pocket letter too. Oh, there is another candy, and they came out with the Happy Cherries. The cherries and the colas are my favorite Haribo candies of all time. So the cherries and the Coca-Cola, everything. And I could not believe they came out with the cherries. I've seen the Coca-Cola, but I haven't in the past. I haven't lately, but I got a bag of the cherries. The other sticker that I did get that I don't think that you guys even saw in the video are just these regular plain star stickers. I just love that they're color coordinated. So if I have like you know, a color that I need, I can use it. Of course, when I saw this, I instantly loved the yellow. All right, from the teaching tree, I did get this decor. Oh my goodness. If only I would have seen this for my True Beverly Hills planner spread. So hold up, stop the press. This is something I haven't mentioned on my main channel because I do have 2 channels. I have Crafty Girl Vlogs, and that's where I've migrated all of my planner videos. They used to live here on this channel, but I stopped making them on this channel, or I stopped posting on this channel, and now I post on the vlog. And this week I am doing an 80s movie themes week in my planner. So go check it out. True Beverly Hills, I did a 2-parter, part 1, part 2, and I can't wait for you guys to see the rest of the week of movie themes. Oh my goodness, I know you're gonna love it. I just know you're gonna love it. But I didn't see this until after I did True Beverly Hills, and I think this would have been really cute, but I have more ideas for this, so stick around. All right, so when I was showing you guys the journals, this was the one I picked. Look at these. What? But I still think it's a cute little notebook. And then this one blew me away with the little pineapples. And look at the inside. What? I didn't even look at the store. I literally just saw this and I was like, okay, in my cart it goes. And then even more notebooks. I told you, it's a sickness. So these 2, I probably could have just left and just showed you guys, but they ended up in my basket one way somehow. But really beautiful prints, really fun, you know, outgoing kind of, just, and this one's really cute. It says shine. And then these were stunning. These were definitely way more mature, not as little girl. You know, you start getting into a teenager. I think these are really, really cute, and obviously for adult women. This is my Lucky notebook. Really pretty. There's really nothing to it. This one says notebook. I love it. This is something that kind of reminds me of what you would see in the Target dollar spot section. Like, who else feels that way? And the rose gold spiral. And then Enjoy Life. I love the gold spiral that matches the gold edge here. That is just spectacular. And it says Dollar Tree on here, or Greenbrier, which is Dollar Tree. So that's crazy. Just Another Day in Paradise. This was my favorite. I thought this one was just beautiful. For the main event, the 2 wall decals that I picked, I really struggled with this one. I knew for sure I wanted this one because this is just me. I love little sweets. You guys know I can't help myself. Just amazing. These little dots are everything. I cannot wait to use this in a planner spread. This one, I have to tell you, I was kind of like on the fence. I think what ended up getting me were the little macaroons. I definitely loved those. This has #girlboss. I'm not really into that particularly, but I thought the little macaroons and the phone was cute. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you loved it. Please give this series a thumbs up, and I'm definitely going to do more of these, so I will just see you guys in those videos. Don't forget about my 80s themed movie weekly spreads over on my Crafty Girl Vlogs channel. If you're definitely into 80s, go head over there and see what I'm about to do this week. I'm super excited, and more themes to come. So